Go.
Hi, Santa. I've been not touching Elf on the Shelf ever.
And what else have you been doing to be a good girl?
One time I was a good listener, and then I was so good that I get it to do the calendar with the candy and cookie, because I was a very, very good listener.
Have you been nice to your baby brother?
Yes.
And have you been a good listener for Mommy and Daddy?
Yes.
And have you been nice to your friends at school?
Yes.
Okay. So what else do you want to say to Santa before we go?
You can have a Merry Christmas and have a good Merry Christmas, and tell everybody of the Elf on the Shelf that I said hi.
Okay. Okay, you want to say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.